Hey everybody, Matt Bolin here. Hope you guys are all doing well, and as always, I appreciate you taking a few minutes to check out this video. I apologize for being away. Last week I was kind of sick with a head cold and didn't get a chance to post any videos. Really, having a head cold is not entirely conducive to making good quality YouTube videos. I'm still a little stuffed up and getting over it now, but in any event, I am back and wanted to talk to you guys today about something called Remodeler marketing. Now, this is a new training system and marketing kit that essentially gives you everything you need to land local remodeling clients and help them promote their business. Now, this is being created and released by Bruce Ruby, also known as BruceNewMedia. Again, it's called Remodeler Marketing, being released today, Wednesday, September 25th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The main offer price here is going to be $27. So let's take a look here over at the sales page. So if you click the link down below this video in the description box or somewhere here on the page, you'll be forwarded to this sales page that you're looking at right now. Definitely take a minute and read through the entire thing. Bruce is going to talk to you more about really why home remodelers are such an ideal target for us as local marketing consultants, and he's going to talk to you really about why we might not want to spend so much time trying to market to doctors and lawyers and car dealers. Now, this video here is about 4 or 5 minutes long. Bruce gives you an idea of exactly what this offer includes, so definitely take a few minutes to watch that video. It's a funny picture there of what some people may think of when you mention home remodelers. But really, they're in the middle of a boom right now, and that's going to continue through 2020. So that provides us with a good opportunity to step in and help them in the middle of this boom with all of their marketing. So now, what types of services do remodelers provide? Now, you might deal with one of these types of remodelers or one type of remodel that offers a few of these services. So we're talking about bathroom remodeling, kitchen remodeling, master suite or room additions, whole house remodeling and basement remodeling. You could deal with just roofers, exterior renovation and remodeling, window and door installation, lanai additions, decks and patios, garage or carport additions. And I have a couple of different remodeler clients. One of them has been with me a long time now. He specializes more in just kitchen remodeling and custom cabinetry. I also have a different remodeler that just does roofs and windows and doors. He actually does siding as well. But you may work with one that specializes in just one area, or you may work with a remodeler that offers multiple of these services as well. And really talks about why this is a can't miss niche. Number one, they have high ticket prices and very good margins. There's a growing demand, especially in this economy. They're easy to reach, and unfortunately for them, but fortunately for us, they have almost zero marketing knowledge. Now, there's a lot more information here. Like I said, take a read through this entire sales page. Bruce is going to talk to you really about exactly what you're going to learn with Rebel Remarketer Marketing. But this entire system is all taught through a 78-page PDF guide and also 16 videos as well that Bruce has put together. Any of you guys that are familiar with Bruce's offers, you know how much of a thorough job he does. Now, he's not just giving you the tools that you need to provide this service, but he's giving you a lot of information and education, a complete background. If you know nothing right now about local marketing or working with home remodelers, you're going to be uncomfortable. You're going to be uncomfortable trying to either talk to them or answer questions that they might have. But I'll tell you this, Bruce has gone in and done such a good job with this information. He's given you a lot of background with how remodelers think and what typically they might experience. He's been doing this for 29 years, so he's got a lot of knowledge. And he's really tried to put as much of that as possible into this training. The training guide, the PDF training guide, and the 16 videos are worth the price of this package alone, but he's also including some other materials here to help just make this so much easier. You're looking at them here on the video, but there's 2 websites included with this offer as well. The first website is for a remodeler. Now, they can use this website to generate leads of homeowners that are interested in their remodeling services. The other site is for us to use as marketing consultants, so that way we can generate local remodeler leads that are interested in our services. Both of these sites here come in HTML format. They come complete with all the sales copy and everything that you need in order to set them up and put them into play. So really, either of those websites, they're both valued at $89. Either of those websites are worth the price of this package alone. Like I mentioned, there's also a training manual, PDF guide. It's actually 78 pages, but Bruce has listed it as 70 pages. And he has 16 videos that teach you the entire process and a lot of the background that you need in order to come away more educated. Nice bundle of flyers here, 22 consultant flyers that we can use as consultants to generate remodeler leads, and then there's 30 remodeler flyers we can use, or we can just sell to remodelers that they can use to generate homeowner leads. Now, 10 email templates. These email templates are designed for us to send out to potential home remodeler clients so that they can become interested in our services. We can induce some interest there and have them reach back out to us, and some forms that come in Microsoft Word and Excel format as well. And now Bruce just talks to you about a few of the things that you're going to discover here. 4 ways to market your services without spending a dime. The one phrase every client longs to hear, but you should never utter it, and how it can slash your future earnings in half. I love this one, how to use the golden handcuffs to keep clients, how to differentiate the client and yourself. Really, you can take a read through. It's just a lot of golden nuggets here, 78 pages and 16 videos, and he didn't hold back. Also, some good Q&A questions that you may have. Bruce has taken some time to answer those here right on the sales page. So if you have any questions after you take a read through, let me know over the course of I think it's a 4-day launch period. I know Bruce is going to be tied up with different things. So if you try and reach out to Bruce and wait for a response, it's probably going to take a while. So you're better off just reaching out to me. If you have any questions whatsoever about anything you read on the sales page, let me know. But for now, let's talk about the OTO/upgrade offers. Okay, so with this offer, you will see 2 OTO/upgrade offers. The first one is going to be priced at $47, and this is some editable remodeler marketing videos along with some marketing presentations, some PowerPoint marketing presentations. Now, the videos that Bruce includes here with the upgrade, these are not required. These are just strictly an upsell service for you to offer the remodeler after you've already gotten your foot in the door with them. So this is not needed in order to implement anything with the main offer. This is just a possible upsell service for you to offer after you've already landed the remodeler as a client. And the second upgrade offer is going to be $27. This is for a set of social media memes and a Google My Business letter and video, again, to use as an upsell. So neither of these upgrade offers are required, strictly optional, just give you some other services that you can upsell the remodeler after you've already landed them as a client. Now, both of these upgrade offers are still going to be available after the launch period is over, so don't feel like you need to pick them up now or right away. I know that the OTO, typically stands for one-time offer, but here it's not truly a one-time offer. It will be available for you to purchase after the launch period. And the pricing schedule for this offer, it is going to be released at a price of $27, and it's going to be available until Sunday, September 29th at midnight Eastern time. At that time, the price is going to increase. So as usual, just be sure to check this out ASAP so you can get it at the lowest possible price. If you enjoy the content and you're watching this on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be notified as soon as they're released, click the notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'll catch up soon. Take care.